Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you my nail paint collection. This was one of the most requested videos on my page, so let's start. Few things about me: I don't actually get my nails done anymore. I think the last time I got my nails done was literally last year, so I have stopped doing that, and I just got them done like twice, I think, in my entire life. And I can say that it does a lot of damage to your nails. Like, it did ruin my nail quality a lot, and I just prefer using the regular nail paints which are easily removed. I know these nail paints are not something that lasts very long. Of course, I do have to reapply my nail paints every other week, but that's fine. I think that's the price you pay for, not getting those highly expensive nails done every other month or week. I don't know. So yeah, let me start by showing you all the nail paints that I own. Just a disclaimer, I am not promoting all these nail paints. Like, it just depends on you and what kind of colors you like. I don't want you to get exactly all the shades that I own, which would be like over consumerism in a way. And I love trying new colors based on the season and based on what kind of outfits that I'm gonna be wearing, whether it's a party or festive season or whatever. So that's why I own so many nail paints. So these are all my nail paints. I've actually arranged them based on the shades. Like, these are the very summery and light colors. These are also very light summer colors, and then comes like the fusion shades, and then comes the winter shades. So I've just kind of divided all the nail paints like that. Let me start by just showing you each shade one by one. So this is my most favorite shade. This is called the Nykaa Insta Dry in the shade Lilac Life 353. I love this shade. I think I've repurchased it 2 or 3 times by now. Goes with all the outfits, and I've got so many DMs from people asking me what shade this one is. And I love the fact that this is from their Insta Dry collection, which means like if you apply just one layer, it dries up so fast. Like, within 15 minutes I'm done with 2 layers of this nail paint. It's crazy because no other nail paint dries up this fast. I think all the nail paints from this specific Insta Dry collection from Nykaa are absolutely great. I have so many other shades as well in this one. I'll just show you guys. This one that I love from this collection is this butter yellow shade. This is called their lemon like 349 number shade, and I'm so proud of this one because I bought this before all the butter yellow hype. I bought it last year, and it looks so good with all the summer dresses, with all the outfits. I love this one, and if you are going for like a beach vacation or something, I would say like just apply this one. I really have to show you guys the color because it's so beautiful. Like, I hope you guys can see. You really need this one if you are someone who loves, lighter shades, who is looking for like a summer holiday nails. This is really good. Next one is again from the Insta Dry collection. This is their mint green shade. It's called Green Grid 358 number. I have not used it yet because I bought it for this summer, but I really wanted to go for the pink one again, so I just applied the pink nail paint all throughout the summer season. And also yellow, I did use yellow also this year. But yeah, this one is something I haven't used yet, and I'm so excited to try. It's very light green, which I think will look good on me. And it's the kind of color that will go on like short nails, long nails, any kind of nails, honestly, and any kind of outfit also. It's so minimal and cute. Last one from their Insta Dry collection is this blue one. So you will see a lot of blues in my nail paint collection, especially like light blue colors. I love like the sky blue and very subtle blue colors. This one is called Boho Blue number 355, and these are such light colors that it will go with all the outfits, especially for the summer season. They're just perfect. Since we're talking about the blues, I have some more blue colors that I love. So these are very similar, so I would just say like buy one if you want. You don't need to buy like all the blues. I have one more Nykaa Insta Dry nail paint actually. This is the Cream Comment number 350, and this is like a perfect off-white shade. I personally would use this one for like the festive season or the wedding season because it's so like subtle and light. It will go with everything. I think it looks very classy in my opinion. I think everybody should own at least one white nail paint. This is the most basic color, but I think it's an essential, especially if you are into like French nails and you don't want to get it done from outside. I love using this one for that. Like you can just apply it on the tips and it looks really classy and really good. Even on its own, I think it looks really good. This shade particularly is called Slay Zen 309, and I don't know, like there's something about the Nykaa nail paints. They are my favorite. Like when it comes to nail paints, I only look for Nykaa. I am very partial towards them. I think I've been using Nykaa nail paint since 11th or 12th standard. So yeah, like they are my ride or die. So please don't judge me. This is again by Nykaa. This is like a very good perfect red shade. This is the Nykaa Insta like viral red 365 number shade, and this is the perfect red shade in my opinion. Like this can go for fall season, summer season, winter season, any season honestly, and I love wearing it with like any simple outfits because this has such a bold color that even if your outfit is simple, your nails will shine through with this color. This is genuinely the best red nail paint that I have. Last summery kind of a shade or like a chill shade that I have is this one. It actually reminds me of McFlurry somehow because the texture is exactly like that. If you guys remember, there was a time like everybody was into cookie and cream nails. So I think I bought this when I was in college, and this textured nail paint was going viral that time. So this one is called Vanilla Crisps number 192. Something that I bought long back ago when I was into like artsy nails and stuff, but now I don't see myself wearing this too often because I'm more into like simple nails. Like I don't want a lot of texture on it. So I don't think personally I would be wearing this very soon again or something. But yeah, I just kept it because I feel like this reminds me of older and better days somehow from like my college. So my favorite nude shade. This is perfect for any outfit, especially in this transition phase where we're not into the perfect winter season yet. So this is like so fall coded, and this is the only nude shade that I have. Honestly, it's perfect. Next one is again from the Nykaa Breathable collection. This is called Moon Dance 311, and I think this is a perfect mixture of like brown and gray. It's not exactly either of the colors. This can go with like your corporate outfits. It's again a very good winter color. There was a time where I was obsessed with matte nail paints, and this is probably one of my favorite matte nail paints that I own. It's the Nykaa Spiced Gingerbread 126, and this is the matte nail paint. I know matte nail paints don't last longer than like few days. When you shampoo your hair and wash your nails regularly, it doesn't last long, and that's why I don't probably wear like a lot of matte nail paints. I just own like two now, and this is one of the best shades that I have. This is like a proper brown, so mocha brown if you will. This is that color, and I think it's trending now, but I got it 2-3 years back. So it's a very classy shade. Again, I love this one. Can probably wear this very soon, especially in the fall season. Now let's get into the proper winter colors. I have this very beautiful bottle green shade. This one is again from Nykaa. It's called Bonfire Snuggles 458. Bottle green color is one of my favorites, and I think this color goes with everything, especially with like long nails. I really can't wait to put this on. I have two blacks. Of course, you can't have enough of blacks, whether it's in clothes, accessories, or anything. So yeah, two black nail paints. Both are from Nykaa. This one is from their Insta Like collection. Again, this one dries pretty fast, so I would prefer the Insta Like one over the other one. This shade is called Black Friday 371 Insta Like collection from Nykaa, and the other one is the basic Nykaa nail paint. It's called Black Licorice 84. So yeah, you can choose either of these. And when I'm confused about which shade should I wear, I always go for a black nail paint. Now coming to one of my most favorite nail paints ever. This one is the Nykaa nail paint. It's called Velvet Blankie 452. It's like the perfect purple color. I think this is again something that I will be wearing for like weddings or the festive season. It's such a bold shade. I absolutely love it. And I don't know, like I've been obsessed with purple color since like last year so much. So yeah, I can't wait to try this one. I have one more matte nail paint. This is the Nykaa Ruby Blaze 120. This is like the perfect cherry red color, which is viral right now, especially for the fall season. I definitely love this shade a lot. I think this is my second or the third bottle that I've bought. If you're looking for the perfect fall shade, this is it. Now, if you're not a fan of the matte finish, then I have the similar shade. Again, this one is the regular Nykaa one. This is called Wine and Chill 456. This is the best nail paint that I have. Honestly, hands down, this is it. And I've received so many DMs and queries about this one specifically because all of you, I think, loved it. Especially like the people on my Instagram always ask me like which shade this one is. It's such a beautiful color. If you don't want to buy any of the other nail paints, I get it, but I would highly recommend trying this one. This is just my favorite. I'll definitely like repurchase this one if I ever run out of it. And yeah, that's it for my nail paint collection. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any doubts in the comment section. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.